Hi everyone, this is Kerry with Garden Rudiments. I'm out in my garage and I am drilling holes in some planters that I bought from Kroger's. I gave $3 a piece for these. They were regular $9.99, something like that. So I thought it was a very good buy and something worth having. They're lower, which is what I want. Square is fine. I like the color. I think these will look great with succulents. So I'm going to be drilling a hole in the bottom for drainage. I have two of them. And then I also have this, I guess it's a vase, a little glass container that I'm going to drill a hole in the bottom of it also. I thought this would be very pretty, very elegant for some succulents. So just stay with me as I get this accomplished. Thanks. I'm also using a 3/8 inch ceramic drill bit, and it does a good job. It's a little bit harder on this glass because the bottoms are so thick, but it does get the job done.